We're going to do a video on stocks, Snapchat, and we've got a daily chart here of Snapchat for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. Snap is down this morning at about 5% on 8 million shares. 54 million shares is the average daily volume. It's about 10:30, and Snap's trading at $9.91. Down 50 cents, again almost 5%. Well, let's see what's going on with Snap real quick. We can see the Snap's been in a bear market, had a huge gap down in October of 2021. It's been below the 200-day moving average ever since. It has good respect for the 20-day moving average once it gets moving, but you can see down here we've had two basic sideways movements. We had this one starting around end of May all the way through June. Price adjusted down, and then we had another sideways movement from the end of July all the way till today. We're still in that sideways movement. You can see where the 200-day moving average is here, and this price is just working itself back across so the market can understand what the resistance and support points are on this stock. There really is not a whole lot of great support for it. There's something right here at about $8.21 it looks like, but this stock is essentially without buyers right at the moment. You can see just basic back and forth, not really distribution, just sideways movement of people not knowing what's going on. Put in a low here of $9.81, but it's just testing back and forth. Here's $9.42, so it did make a new low right there. I'm sorry, $9.38 versus $9.42, so it came down within 3 cents or 4 cents of the other one and bounced back up. So just fishing for buyers down here. The 200-day moving average is really too far away, and this stock needs to rally up to a significant level. Really, we need to rally up here to $15 to $17 to get this stock back technically correct. I'm not saying it's going to do that. I'm just saying that's what needs to happen to make this stock look like it should look from a technical perspective. It's just oversold. Does not necessarily mean that's going to happen, but I do think that when we look at it from a technical perspective, the stock's gotten ahead of itself right now. It wouldn't surprise me if this stock sold off aggressively, even though it is oversold, because there just doesn't appear to be buyers for this stock right at the moment. Where do I think it might head? It's very difficult to say, but if it violates this support that we've got back here in March of 2020, if it gets significantly down into the 8s, I think that you're probably going to see this stock become a $5 stock. But that's a little bit off. But if it happens, it could easily be down there by the end of October. Again, I'm not predicting it. I'm just saying the stock looks oversold, and it looks like it's going to stay oversold. I don't see any big reason for it to rally. If it does rally, I think your upside target is probably around no more than 16 bucks at the most in the near term, in the next week or two at the most, probably $14 to $15. Let's go down and take a look and see what RBAM Research says about it. It's got a buy rating on it. It's got 1-day holds from $10.20. These are 5 and then 20-day holds, so 1, 5, and 20-day holds. $10.20 to $10.36. Buying on Snap today, of course, for entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk. Let's take a look and see what Snap looks like and see if it's gotten there. So 10.55 to 9.85. So those prices today are all 10.55 to 9.85. No, it doesn't. 9.80. Yep. So these are all live prices right now on Snap from RBAM Research. Obviously, 1-day hold means get in today, get out to the end of the market tomorrow or just before at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them, and so forth across the board. So these have to work their way out and see if they're going to end up being profitable. But you can have access to all those prices plus 190 more at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. You just follow the link in the description below to RBAM and sign up with your email address. And we cover, in addition to stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, the most liquid futures contracts, all for free, no credit card required. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices, is for entertainment purposes only. Can only use them for entertainment. Can't use them for anything else. You have to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. We're putting out a lot of videos. And if you have a great comment, please leave it in the comment section below.